This is the part 4 of our discussion on how to raise capital on a coin exchange. We talk about various forms of crypto funds. Uh, this section we shall dwell on security tokens. What is security token? Why is it different from other cryptocurrencies? This is what we shall be looking at. So, when we talk about security tokens, we are saying it's a form of initial coin offering where a company or organization issues a security token that is backed by tangible assets such as real estate, technology, or other assets. The security tokens represent the right to the ownership of the underlying assets, with the tokens being tradable on a compliant digital asset exchange. So, security tokens are subject to stricter regulation than traditional ICOs, which means that investors can be rest assured that their assets are secured and their investments are adhered to compliance rules. This helps protect investors from fraud and the risks, and provide them with greater flexibility and control over their investments. Over their investments. Right. So, how different is the security tokens different from cryptocurrency? So, what we are saying is that security tokens are not the same or are not the exact thing as cryptocurrency in this case. Many people make these mistakes. Yes, we know that. Cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash run out their own blockchain. Security tokens run on an existing blockchain, meaning a security token could run on the Ethereum blockchain or the Binance blockchain, which is most commonly used to deploy security tokens. Many companies uses the ERC20 tokens, which are Ethereum compliance token that can run on Ethereum blockchain using smart contract for execution. Right. So that is how the security tokens are different from the traditional ICO or cryptocurrency. Now, so again, we are saying that a security token derive its value from external or tradable assets. They derive their value from external or other tradable assets. It is a cryptographic tokens that is issued on a blockchain and represents real world tradable assets such as stocks, bond, commodities, real estate, or even artwork. So investors are secured, are rest assured, right? Now, are security tokens similar to that of utility tokens? The answer is that security tokens they are different from that of from other digital assets such as the cryptocurrencies and utility tokens, in that they are subject to regulatory compliance. Any investment in security tokens must comply with applicable security laws. Security tokens are also often backed by assets and thus offers investors greater liquidity, transferability, transparency, and security than other digital assets. The key difference between security tokens and utility token is that security tokens is an investment contract that represents ownership in an underlying assets. In contrast, utility tokens is designed to provide access to service or product or a platform. Security tokens often entitles the holders to a share of profit or voting right and or even dividends, while utility tokens provide access to services, features, and products. Let's look at some of the examples of security tokens. Examples of security tokens are props. This was launched as a security token for accredited and non-accredited investors. under the the REG CF in the US via a token debt uh, payable by assets, and they raised over $1 million from 794 investors. Yeah. Another example of security token is Verview. This was launched as a security token by Warming Corporation for international investors and provide them with a non-voting preferred equity shares. Right. The token is a standard compliance of ERC 1404 token and will replace Verview previous utility tokens VUT. All right. Another security token is called the SIA Funds. This was launched by SIA, a cloud storage company. SIA Fund helps company out a real-time transaction fee from all storage related payments on the network. The company distributed up to 750 SIA funds to qualified investors back in April 2022. Right. These are some of the examples of security tokens.